Hello and welcome to Brazilian DIY. I'm Adrianaday, and today's video is an unboxing review of AMIRO's Opal IPL laser hair removal. And if you want to know everything about this device, it's very simple. Just keep watching. Simple like that. Okay, what is IPL? IPL stands for Intense Pulsed Light and is a cosmetic skin treatment that may help reduce the signs of aging, remove unwanted hair, lighten darker parts of skin, and improve the appearance of scar and spider veins. The way IPL works, it emits pulses of light which are absorbed by the pigment in the hair follicle below the skin surface, and the light turns into heat that is absorbed by the skin and essentially destroy the hair follicles, causing hair to fall. And guys, if you follow my channel, you know that I have tested a couple different types of laser hair removal, and I truly liked and recommend all of them so far. But when I thought that anything else could be added to an IPL device, this company called AMIRO sent me this pretty cool device to test, and today I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about it, including the feature that AMIRO has that the other brands doesn't. So bear with me. It's gonna be worth it. Welcome to AMIRO Opal IPL laser hair removal. AMIRO Opal is FDA approved, painless and skin friendly, easy to use, compact and portable. AMIRO also offers free shipping and 1 year hassle-free warranty. And what comes in a box? In the box comes the AMIRO Opal itself, AC adapter, AC power cord, user manual, a razor, and protective glasses. It's very important to protect your eyes. Please use it. AMIRO Opal has 7 different working modes and 1 choice of ice cooling. Okay, here we have the first 2 things that AMIRO has that the other brand doesn't, like you like in Faustina. One, the area mode, and the second one is the ice cooling. I love Faustina, but it doesn't even have the cooling system, which now for me is a deal breaker. You does have the cooling system, but not the ice cooling mode. Just so you understand, can be a little confused. AMIRO Opal has the cooling system and the cooling mode. The cooling system, the device stay cool the whole time. No matter what mode or intensity level you are, it always feels cold in your skin. And the ice cooling mode is to ice the area to be treated, either before or after the treatment. The cooling mode, it's its own mode and only cools down the skin. You're not gonna shoot any laser. Now I'm gonna list you the area modes. They are the finger area, the face area, the arm area, the armpit area, bikini area, leg area, upper body area, and ice cooling mode. Before you start your treatment, make sure the area to be treated is shaved, clean, dried, and free of fragrance. Before you start your treatment, make sure the device is clean and dry to prevent infection. Connect the power AC to the AC adapter. Plug AC into an electrical outlet and the cord into the device DC socket. The light on the device will be solid white, and when you press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the device, you will hear and feel the device fan, and the cold compress function will be enabled by default. Now it's time to adjust the level. For that, do a short press on the level button and select the level you feel more comfortable with. AMIRO Opal has 8 different levels to choose from. Please be aware, AMIRO Opal is advertised as a painless device. Do not mistake as pain-free. Depending on the level and the area, you may feel some discomfort. Bikini area for me, for example, is a sensitive area and feel more discomfort on the highest level. If you can't tolerate the highest level, don't worry about it. With time, your skin will get used to it. Plus, AMIRO still work in any level that it is. Just take your time and work your way up. After choosing the intensity level, it's time to select the area to be treated. You can choose from 7 different modes plus ice cooling. I really love and appreciate the ice cooling mode. My bikini area again is very sensitive, so I always use this mode before I start my treatment, and it helps a lot. And you can use afterwards as well. It feels pretty good too, especially in the face and the bikini area. Once you are ready to start, wear your protective glasses, place the treatment window flat against the expected area with full contact to the skin. A green light will indicate that the device is ready to use. Then press the flash button to start the hair removal. Move the device to the next area to be treated. You have 2 ways to use the device. One is stamping and the second one is gliding. Stamping is recommended for small areas such as the armpit, bikini, and face. Gliding is recommended for larger areas such as leg. I love the gliding mode. It's so helpful. It makes the process way faster and do the treatment on my legs and my husband's back like super fast. After using the device for a while, it will appear on the display the lock icon. When it appears, the level and mode button won't work, so you have to short press the power button to unlock the device. After you're done with your treatment, just press and hold the power button for a couple seconds to turn off the device. And after you unplug the device, you can clean it with a clean, dry cloth or cotton swab and store it in a safe place. Please never use water or any liquid. I also like to use aloe vera on my post laser removal. It helps your skin moisturize as well as speed the healing process with its anti-inflammatory healing properties. So I'm gonna leave the link for the aloe vera on the description below if you're interested as well. Now the protocols. It should be used once a week for 12 weeks and then once a month to maintain the results. And guys, before you purchase AMIRO Opal or any IPL device, check first if you're eligible for IPL according to the Fitzpatrick photo typing scale. It's very important. It was developed by a Harvard Medical School dermatologist, Thomas Fitzpatrick, MD, PhD, to classify a person's complexion and the tolerance to sunlight. There are 6 levels of skin tone on his scale. It goes from type 1 pale white skin to type 6 deeply pigmented dark brown to black skin. On a scale, you can identify if your skin tone is eligible for the treatment on the AMIRO website scale, or just Google it. You'll find lots of scale and info about it. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'll leave the link for AMIRO Opal if you're interested, the aloe vera link as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share all that good stuff that doesn't cost anything to you and is very important to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.